This is cool. What's up, guys? SK Lifestyle, of course, and I'm here on a beautiful day in the park because I'm gonna jump on the play skate. No, sir. But I kind of want to because it looks kind of fun and no one's here. But yeah, I got a beautiful open field here, and of course, the whole point of this video is the drone. Finally, my drone. I have bought this thing. Well, I didn't buy it. I got it for Christmas, and you know, I just haven't been able to fly it. I mean, it's New England, Connecticut. Winter is not a great time. It's windy and stuff and all that kind of stuff. So I've been waiting and just been busy in the spring, but point blank, I'm here now. So we're going to try this thing out. I don't think the first time running this is going to be that great because there's a whole lot of calibration that I got to get used to and so forth. I ran through all the instructions, so I'm going to do that. This only has a run time of about 15 to 20 minutes. So between me getting it out, turning it on, setting it up, it's probably going to kill 5 to 7 minutes right there. But we'll try to have some fun with it. There's a lot of features. I'm not getting to all the features today. I will be doing videos, and I'll probably do individual videos for, like, you know, point of interest mode and follow me mode and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. But this, I'm going to just try, you know, 1 or 2 modes and just kind of fly around in here and just see how well it operates, really, because I would like to do some cool stuff with this, like, you know, to go down the mountain on the snowboard and have it follow me for, you know, half a mile or something, or even a couple 100 yards, or to be out on the jet ski. Now, it says don't use it over water, but yeah, okay. I'm definitely going to take it out and have it just follow me over the water, you know, like 20 feet high or something, mess around, and then just, you know, come back to shore and have it land with me. So I plan on doing all that cool stuff, but again, today is just to kind of, you know, break my cherry with the drone here and see how well I do. I had a really cheaper one before, and I used it and had some issues in a tree. So we're gonna try not to recreate that terrible situation and see what the Snaptain SP510 can do. Let's check it out. Calibrate GPS, gun is ready to fly, LEDs, white, and solid blue. Okay, so we are ready to fly. So I need to move these down inwards. Now it's ready to go. So you just move these down in like that. Oh, and then it kicks it off. I bet it'll kick it back on. There we go. And take off. Ho ho ho! This thing is pretty controlled. Alright, second attempt at landing. There we go, not bad.
Like, this is my first time ever seeing a YouTuber ever. I'm surprised. Is this like live?
No, we're not live. I gotta go back and put the video out.
This is the first time I've ever seen a YouTuber in action. Yeah!
Now to bring her back. Oh yeah. I'll say this thing lasts way more than 16 minutes. I've been flying it for a while. And I mean, I gotta be at like 20 minutes now, like runtime. And it's still saying the thing, it's still saying it has like 3/4 of its battery left. It's just crazy. I'm doing this all with one hand. So you can tell it's really easy to use. I mean, a little harder to use with one hand, but so there's a little breeze right now, maybe like 3-4 miles an hour. So you can see how it does. I'm not touching the control at all. So this is how it maintains while nothing else is going on. Okay, now I'm at half battery. So it's starting to wear down a bit. But look at that. I mean, for fighting the wind, it's doing a really good job. A little crash landing there. I will say too, as long as you're on like nice soft grass like this, it doesn't really seem to be a problem for this thing. I think it's made pretty well. I mean, it's great that it has these moving arms, because they can help give some of the impact. Even on the grass, you know, there's still dirt underneath. So at least the arms can have a chance to possibly fold up if it's in the same direction. And then you got multiple blades, which I think is nice, because if you crack one, I don't think it's gonna fly really great, but at least you can probably get it home. And then even if one whole side, like say this whole corner is done, I'm sure you can at least get it to, it'll probably be a cluster, but I'm sure you can get it back to yourself. So you see I only got 1 bar left out of the 4. Let's see what the camera says. Yep, says 1 bar out of the 4. Drone voltage low. So I'm about to just run her up real quick, bring her back to my little base up there. And yeah, I say the first drone flying attempt was a success. Couple crashes to be expected. I'm gonna go home, charge her up. I'm gonna mess with this a little more. And now that I know how it operates, I wouldn't go as fast, but I would probably use it around like my house or something, just for you know, for shits and giggles. But still got to be careful. I got a lot of tall oak trees, so I can't be going up 80 feet and moving it around, because if it gets stuck, then what? I'm gonna pay somebody $100 to go up in a bucket to get it. I don't know. All right, so I guess she died right there, which is fine. I'm gonna go back and try to count the footage too to see how much actual runtime we had. But I'd say it was at least 20 minutes, and I'm definitely satisfied with how it ran. And again, once you don't need all the time of sitting there and trying to calibrate and having it running, because even if the blades aren't going, it's still using the Wi-Fi from the device to the camera or to the phone, so it's draining power. And it's running all kind of systems and stuff. So I really think that it did really good, and without having to do all that nonsense or take so long to do it in the beginning of each flight, that also adds another 4 or 5 minutes to your runtime. So I'd say pretty good. I'm impressed by this thing. Snaptain, I think it's SP510. Yeah, I'm gonna do more videos. I'll show you all the different features that it has, and I'll do individual videos for each one, so that you guys can see, you can ask questions, comments. If you have any interest in drones, or you're thinking about this one, leave those comments down below too. I'm fairly new to it, but I'll let you know what I think, what I know, and we can just have a dialogue and discussion too. That's always fine. So I appreciate you guys watching. As always, subscribe to SK Lifestyle. See you guys next time.